Concrete is everywhere. We walk on it. We build on it. We live surrounded by it. And because it's everywhere, most people never stop to think about what it really is. Concrete is one of the most used construction materials in the world. Not because it's perfect, but because it's strong, durable, versatile, and relatively inexpensive. Concrete can be poured into almost any shape, from massive foundations to small slabs and steps. At its most basic level, concrete is made from four main ingredients: water, cement, sand, and gravel. Simple materials with very specific roles. Cement is not concrete. Cement is one of the ingredients used to make concrete, but cement itself is not a raw material. It's a manufactured product made from processed materials like limestone. In concrete, cement acts like the binder. Sand and gravel act like the body, and water activates the chemical reaction that turns everything solid. That's why cement is also used in materials like mortar, grout, and stucco, not just concrete. Concrete does not harden by drying. It hardens through a chemical reaction called hydration. The water doesn't disappear. It becomes part of the concrete. This is why concrete needs moisture while curing, and why letting concrete dry out too fast can weaken it. If cement is the glue, why not build with cement alone? Because cement by itself is expensive, brittle, and unstable. Sand and gravel make concrete stronger. They reduce shrinkage, they reduce cracking, and they lower cost. Concrete is designed, not accidental. Concrete strength depends on many factors. One of the most important is how much water is added. More water makes concrete easier to place, but too much water reduces strength. Less water increases strength, but makes placement harder. This balance is intentional. Different jobs require different mixes. Concrete is very strong in compression. That makes it ideal for foundations, slabs, walls, and columns. But concrete is weak in tension. That's why it's often combined with steel reinforcement. Concrete and steel work together. Concrete is used in foundations, in floors, in walls, in infrastructure, and in structural systems that support entire buildings. It is not always the best material, but it is often the most practical. Understanding concrete is not about memorizing formulas. It's about knowing what the material does and what it doesn't. When concrete is misunderstood, mistakes happen. Cracks, failures, repairs. Most of them avoidable with better understanding. Concrete is only one material. Wood, steel, masonry, they all behave differently, and buildings only work when materials are used correctly, together. This video is part of our Construction Foundation series, where we explain materials, systems, and structure from the ground up. Simple concepts, clear visuals, no absolutes. Because understanding how things are built changes how you see everything around you.